Last time I spoke to you guys, we got the Supermoto wheels on my Honda CRF, and today we're going to make it fully street legal with a Tusk Enduro kit and a Polysport headlight. Let me show you all the parts. Okay guys, here's all the parts that we need to make this CRF street legal. So we got the taillight assembly, the headlight assembly, a bunch of connectors and switches, and the rear view mirror and a horn. So we got everything that we need to make that CRF street legal here in Arizona so we can legally rip it around on the streets as much as we want without getting in trouble. So I'll be totally honest, I kind of suck at electrical, so I already know this install is probably going to be a bit of a pain in the butt for me, so I'm probably going to have to bring in a friend to actually help me. Plus, we don't even have a battery to actually wire this whole system up just yet. So either way, let's get into the build. First things first, I think it's going to be easiest to try and attack this front end. So I believe it's just pretty much just this one bolt, and then we're good to go. Okay, so far we've got this big old switch on. That's screwed on with the wires over here. They're not going anywhere yet. We've got the ignition switch on as well. And also, that's not going anywhere yet. So now we gotta get the gas tank off, get the seat off, and then start running all the wires everywhere. This whole assembly mounts something like that, and for some reason there was already a hole here and a hole here on the fender, so we're just going to go off of those for now. Already marked up this thing so I know where to drill, and then we're going to hope for the best. Okay, for the rear, we got it mounted. We still need to put 2 more bolts in, drilled the holes, got that going. And the front, unfortunately, this big box down there is in the way of the headlight. So we had to use these brackets that came with the Polysport headlight, which means that the headlight is kind of offset from the whole bike. So it looks a little bit funny right now, but I think once it's on the road, it'll look just fine. So we got to finish up with the headlight, finish up with the taillight, and then wire the whole thing, and it'll pretty much be good to go. The tank off, we got the seat off, we're starting to wire everything up. We got the front brake pressure sensor switch wired up. This all has to get kind of tucked up in there, and then I didn't realize that this kit doesn't come with 2 brake switches, so I'm gonna have to go to cycle gear and get a second brake switch for the rear brake. But we're making good progress. This is all mounted up, everything's all mounted up, it's pretty much just wiring it now, and then we still got to figure out a battery situation. We'll probably just run this off a small lithium ion battery. Okay, it's getting pretty late and it's getting pretty cold, but this is wired up, headlights all wired up, everything is zip tied on. everything here is correct. The only thing that's left is these two little connectors down here for the rear brake switch, which we're going to get right now. And we're also going to get a little battery that we can just put in here to basically run it, because this doesn't have a large enough stator to power everything. So we're just going to power it off of a battery. So we're going to run to cycle gear real quick and get that stuff. Okay, moment of truth. Got the battery connected to the adapter. Now plug it into the bike.
Make sure it's actually connected up right, which it looks like it is. Right.
Alright, that's... Yep, the taillight's already on.
Taillight's on. See, the brake light works.
Wait.
Even
Yes.
with the garbage brake, it still works.
Hardly any brake pressure, but it works. You try the turn signal? Is that right? Oh god, it's backwards. I put them on backwards.
Oh.
The front one's correct and the back one backwards.
Does the light work? There is nothing to connect it. Joe,
It's just like
here, straight to here. Control switch.